Yeah, there. Don't know it's Big Chop. Chop Images, JAAZOZ. There from talk to them about all of the things I mean experience. You see me? Don't know, follow up on Instagram, big underscore chop 876. Don't know, follow Jacob's music. Yeah. So I just then I'm here, you know. I'm just say I'm feeling I want to share this. Come here and say, alright. Just like me I walk in the yard. You know me have a couple trees in the yard and things. Like I see a bird. I see the bird pretty. I say no man. Like I just want to walk up to the bird and just touch the bird. I just want to hold the bird in my hand. Like I say no sir. But I like to just have the bird there every day and just hold it to say hey, I'm my bird this, the bird just. But just want people see me that bird there. Just put the bird on my shoulder. And say, yo, my bird this. You know them way they ever see like that? Like them just full of colour and them just look. Like you see it, they just want to see it all the time. They just want to hold it and just say, wow, what's my bird? My bird. You get to me and say, yeah. Just to the bird, I tell you. By the time I walk, I not even reach 3 feet. Not even 3 feet. Like, about no feet away from the bird. You see me? And by the time if you see son move off, the bird just fly away. Let me say, the bird just fly away. Me no move aggressive, me no move no type of way towards the bird. You see me? No type of way towards the bird. Me I come to the bird peacefully try to show the bird love. Or whatever. You see me? And the bird just fly away. Not even give me a chance, not even try to hear me have to say. You know someone blame the bird. Don't blame the bird, you know. Cause it could be a case where the bird have bad experiences with you call human. You see me? So the bird to me now, the bird now second thought say me might now come to give or say cause in arm or her. I don't know the bird that kind of man or woman bird. You see me? But the bird does have a bad experience and say anytime see human, the bird will try to protect his or herself. You say, me don't want to get hurt. Me don't want to get hurt right now, so me can fly away. Because all humans do is hurt birds. You see me? So I say, you know what, bird? You tease me unless you know. Tease me unless a bird. No, me know why. More let me say alright to a girl, them not answer them, just walk away. I mean say, no me say, what if I too ugly? No me realize say, I'm not too ugly. To me a human. So, in this case here, woman are the bird and man are the human. So automatically when the bird, which is the woman, see a human, which is a man, then just feel like say we are come to hurt them. You see me? No matter how calmly and polite we are come towards them, that is just a way to get close enough to hurt them. You get what I say? So the bird really teach me a lesson. They say, yo, so really, you know ugly man. I just to me a human. Get it man. To me a man. So, yo, with the priest, you know. Yo, tell me if I lie, yo. Tell me if you not get to me. You see me? The bird show me a whole thing. Explain to me. Thanks to the bird, now me know. Say me not ugly. Sure. No, I'm sure. Say another. So now, anytime I go to a girl or approach a female, in any type of way, I'm going to see she react a way for like ignore me or try to not engage me. I can know say, call me up, you man. Figure it out. Let me say, thanks again for watching. Follow up on Instagram, BigChop876. That's big_chop876. You see me? Follow Jagos Music on Instagram. You don't know, and check out Jagos on YouTube. Yes, so. Yes, so. JAAGOZ Big Chop. There, there it is.